Before buying an action camera, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many claim to be great, but real buyers often have complaints that could change your mind. Let's dig into the top 5 action cameras under $200 that actually deliver. Product number 1, AKASO EK7000. First up is the AKASO EK7000, priced at just $69.99. What caught my attention is its impressive 4K video quality and a whopping 131 feet of waterproof capability. If you want a reliable and affordable action camera for outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. The built-in electronic image stabilization (EIS) ensures your footage remains smooth even if you're on the move. With over 39,100 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that users appreciate its performance and reliability. Plus, the wireless wrist remote control makes it super convenient to start recording without any hassle. Now, some people complained about the battery life, which averages around 90 minutes. Here's the thing though, for most outdoor activities this should be sufficient, but if you plan on long recording sessions, consider investing in an extra battery. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable camera for water sports or vlogging, but skip this one if you need extended battery life for long sessions. At $69.99, it offers exceptional value for your money. Now, if the battery issue with the EK7000 bothered you, this next one takes a different approach. Product number 2, DJI Osmo Action 4. Next up is the DJI Osmo Action 4, a powerful option at $169. This camera instantly grabbed my attention with its 113-inch sensor and impressive low-light performance. If you want stunning footage even in dim conditions, this is worth a serious look. This camera shines with its 4K/120 FPS video, meaning you can capture fast action without any lag. The color science is superb, thanks to the 10-bit depth and D-Log M, which captures a wide dynamic range. This is perfect if you're into editing your footage later. Plus, the battery lasts up to 160 minutes, making it ideal for extended use during adventures. With over 1,600 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, users rave about its reliability and versatility. Now, some users did mention it can be a bit tricky to navigate the menus. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the control becomes second nature and you'll appreciate the dual screens for framing shots. This is perfect for vloggers or outdoor enthusiasts who need high-quality video in challenging lighting. But skip this one if you're not willing to invest some time learning its features. At $169, it's a solid investment for quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3, AKASO Brave 4. Now let's talk about the AKASO Brave 4, which you can snag for $89.99. I was drawn in by its impressive features packed into such a low price. If you're looking for a great starter action camera without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This model boasts 4K video at 30 FPS and 20 MP photos, allowing you to capture every detail. The adjustable 170 degrees view angle is a game changer for shooting various scenes, whether you're biking or diving. Plus, with its dual screen, you can easily frame shots and ensure you're capturing the moment perfectly. With 17,100 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that many are satisfied with this camera's performance. Now, some users have pointed out that the Wi-Fi connection can be a bit spotty. Here's the thing though, if you're not relying heavily on the app for real-time sharing, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for casual users who want a reliable camera for travel or water sports. But skip this one if you need flawless Wi-Fi connectivity. At $89.99, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if the Wi-Fi issue with the Brave 4 concerned you, this next camera offers a better battery life. Product number 4, AKASO EK7000 Pro. Next on our list is the AKASO EK7000 Pro, available for $84.99. This camera stood out because it combines great features with an intuitive design. If you want something user-friendly with excellent video quality, this is worth a serious look. The intuitive 2-inch IPS touchscreen makes changing settings a breeze, so you can focus on capturing your adventures. With over 10,900 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, many users appreciate its ease of use and solid performance. Now, some people mention that the touchscreen can be unresponsive at times. Here's the thing though, with a little patience, it usually works reliably, and the benefits outweigh this minor flaw. This is perfect for beginners or casual users who want straightforward operation at a great price. But skip this one if you need a camera that can handle extreme conditions without any hiccups. For $84.99, it definitely delivers excellent value. Finally, if the touchscreen issue with the EK7000 Pro isn't your cup of tea, the last option on our list is definitely budget-friendly. Product number 5, Jadfezi Action Camera. Lastly, we have the Jadfezi Action Camera priced at just $21.99. Honestly, I was surprised by what this low-cost option offers. If you're on a tight budget but still want to capture your adventures, this is worth a serious look. This camera shoots in 1080p/30 fps and takes 12 MP photos, which is decent for casual use. With its assorted accessories, you can mount it on your helmet or bike without additional costs. The 4-star rating from 3,600 reviews shows that users find it functional for basic needs. Now, some users noted that the image quality isn't as sharp as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you only need something to capture family fun or simple outdoor activities, it gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable entry-level action camera. But skip this one if you need high-resolution footage or advanced features. For $21.99, it's an unbeatable price for casual use. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic action cameras under $200. The AKASO EK7000 for budget reliability, the DJI Osmo Action 4 for pro-level performance, the AKASO Brave 4 for a great starter option, the AKASO EK7000 Pro for user-friendly design, and finally the Jadfezi for the ultimate budget-friendly pick. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs and pick the one that suits you best.